What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to a new video. My name is of course Paul. Now just recently I've been enjoying my Galaxy Z, whatever you want to call it, Fold 6 in the navy colorway. I've been really enjoying it a lot, even though I did love the S24 Ultra. This is a nice change of pace and I'm glad to be back on a folding phone because believe me, watching content on this, fantastic. Spigen, I've sent out the GLAStR EZFIT. It's a 2-pack. Tells you a bit about it on the back. You've got easy installation, real glass, oleophobic coating, surface 9H surface hardness, and Spigen case friendly. I hope the other case friendly too. I'm looking forward to finding that out. So we've got the trusty unboxing knife. I'm just gonna slice these so we can get straight into it. There we go. Let's take a look at what you get inside the box. This is a 2-pack, so thankfully you get a spare one. Nothing else in there. So there is your installation kit, your installation guide. If you want to watch that video, please feel free. A non-slip pad and a squeegee. So place that to one side. We'll place one of these out the way, and as you can see, cut out perfectly there for the camera. So if we place that on like so, as you can see, it's nicely cut out for the camera, so you won't get any wobble when you're trying to install your screen protector. So we'll place that this way around, so it makes life easier for you guys to see it. Get rid of some of the dust, even though we're going to be doing that anyway. Let's take a look at what you get in the kit. Nothing else in there, so 1 pack of dust removal stickers, put one to one side. You should get 1 microfiber, and first I just like to go over the screen and get rid of any like dust or debris, you know, it just makes life a little tiny bit easier for you. So just a quick wipe over, snap that off. Okay, so these are normally nice and really wet, so you know, bear that in mind. This is saturated, so you're going to take it and you're going to wipe over that screen, get rid of any dust, debris, any fingerprints, smudges, you name it. Just get rid of anything that you can find. Make that screen nice and clean, let it dry a little bit, take your microfiber, then you're just going to work it over, get it as dry as you possibly can. Doesn't have to be fully dry because it'll sort itself out after a few hours, but as best you can. Then you're going to take your dust removal sticker. I normally go for the bigger one over the littler ones, and you're just going to take him in between your thumb and your finger, and you're just going to dab over the screen, get any dust off that you may be able to see. Then you're going to remove the back sticker, which is just there. It's on a little orange tab, so you're going to peel that away, but keep it down like so. Then you're going to aim for where it says top, and you're going to slide it over your Z Fold or Z Fold 6, slide it over the top so it's nice and on there. Then you're going to push at number 1 and slide all the way down. Push on number 1, slide to number 2 it says, but I always go down to number 3 just so it adheres, and then you wait 30 seconds. But I like to do this just a couple of times just so that you can see it and it's adhered to that screen, so it's nice and connected to it. So when you take this off, it isn't going to rip off with it. So I'll tidy up, that's out the way. So now that should be 30 seconds. So it is, I can see a couple of bubbles by the looks of it, but you're going to get it at number 3, which is this little tab right here. You're going to lift, keep your finger on the plastic, and then just remove the sticky tab all the way up, like so. And then put your finger in there and lift up. So that is now on there, but as you can see there's some bubbles, but I don't know whether that could be on this because you need to remove the over film. You get 4 little grips here in which you're going to be able to remove them. So take your squeegee and just see if they'll push out while the plastic is still on, so you're not damaging the screen protector. Always best to turn your phone off too. Obviously I just do mine with mine on, just a bit easier. You can also use your finger if this squeegee isn't really working out for you. Just use your finger, just push them all out. Okay, So you're going to take this and you're going to remove it like so. Okay, so now once you've ripped that film off and obviously you've checked your phone over, like I have here, everything seems okay. It's just a lot of dust sitting on the top of the screen protector right now. But that'll all sort itself out over time. So, you know, don't worry too much about it. It's nice and on there now. So there is a few bits still left here. So what you need to do is just go over it, push the screen protector down as best you can. It's just for when the glue from the screen protector and obviously the wet from your towel that you've just used to your screen clean and wipe, it just basically hasn't adhered and it's still wet underneath the screen. But don't worry, you know, over the next 24 hours that'll go. If you just keep working at it, you don't have to work at it for 24 hours, just keep like pushing over it and it'll eventually disappear and it'll look just like that. If you just keep pushing it, it'll just basically work itself out, so you don't have to worry about it. So it is nice. It's a nice screen protector. So what I'm going to do right now is I'll unlock the phone and we'll check screen sensitivity. Yeah, no issues there at all. So no issues there. Absolutely fine. No issues. Perfect. No issues with screen sensitivity. You don't need to worry about your fingerprint sensor because that's on the side of the phone. And then you've got this now in case you need it for something else, because obviously it sits perfectly in certain camera locations. So we'll keep hold of that anyway for the next one as well. But you know, you can bin this, bin all your other stuff apart from the other bits that you may need to keep, such as this, and you only get one microfiber towel, so keep hold of those. But there we go. Nice and installed, nice screen protector. Protect that front screen, especially if you're going to be rocking it either without a case or with just a back piece on it. But it's now fully protected, oleophobic coating. We may fit one to the inside screen like we did a few years ago, but we may not, so you know, it just depends. Front is now fully protected, so in case I just use a back case, I can now protect the front screen, especially with it being in my pocket all day when I'm out at work. Let me know if there's anything you'd like to see with the new Z Fold 6. Any videos you want to see with it, let me know in the comment section down below. I've got a ton of cases to get through, so make sure you stay tuned. If you like this, drop a like. If you loved it, drop a sub, turn those notifications on. I'll see you in the next one, but let me know if there's anything you want to see.